my name is Ravindra Meena. In this video we will talk about how to git commit. Git commit is used to save the changes that you have made in the repositories. So let's first head over to a repository. This is the repository in which have only one file. I have already cloned this repository in my desktop, so which is present here. Now I would like to add new file here. So just for example, I will add a text file here. Let's add one line here. Let's just rename this file. I have added the file here. Now let's go to our terminal. Now let's head over to this directory. Let's first do git status. Git status means git status lets you know the file in which you have made changes in the repository. So I have made it since I am using this Mac, so that the ds store file is automatically created. So we won't be worrying about this file now. So I created this example RTF in this repository. That's why it is showing this example RTF, and that's because I haven't made any changes in the README file, so it is not showing any changes in the README file. So Git is smart enough to figure out the file in which we have made changes. Now in order to commit, in order to save this example.rtf in commit, first we have to add this file. Add simply means which file you would like to commit. So I will, since I would like to commit this example.rtf. So let's just add it. Now if you will do git status, this means that we have added the example.rtf and we would like to commit it. So, and storage file something that we are not worrying about now. So now let's git commit. This m flag means the message that you want to give this to commit. So give whatever message you want. I'm typing here git first commit. Now if you will again do the git status, now the example.rtf has gone because we have successfully committed this file. Now if you head over to the GitHub and if you try to refresh it, it will not show the file here because we have not pushed this file online. So in order to push this file online, you have to do git push origin master. Master is a branch. I will talk about the branches later in this video. In your case, it might ask you for the credential, your username or the password. So if it asks, then just simply type the username or password and it will do the rest procedure for you. Now let's just refresh this repository. Now we can see that example.rtf is present now here also in this, and it is also present in our clone folder also. Now if you head over to the commits, the commit message is also present here. That's all for the git commit. I hope that you like this video.